Welcome to Guns on Illegal. And today you got my 300 blackout out here, Radical Firearm. And show off this shirt. Yes, sir. And just gonna try to sight it in. Just put this scope on there. I got some iron sights. Got some steel targets set up. Just gonna try to sight it in so I can give me a couple bores with it. Let me use the iron sights first. Trying to shoot with the head on. It's definitely a no-go. There we go. I'm gonna have to I don't know, it's hard to find my front sight with this scope on here. I see that my crosshair is kind of getting in my way. No, that ain't gonna work. Before I put this sight on here, it was easy to use my iron sights. As you can see on the previous video, trying to use it with this, that defeats the purpose. Meaning I'm gonna have to switch either the scope out, or I'm gonna have to switch my sights out. Let's try to use the scope though. Got a ding. I don't like the trigger on this firearm. Got a ding. As you can see, I'm jerking this trigger though. Got a ding, but you can see I'm jerking this trigger though. I don't know why it's doing it, but it's doing it. Ain't no way this scope supposed to already be sighted. I shouldn't be getting dings like that already though. That's crazy. I literally just slapped it on there. Let me cut it. It also, you wouldn't be able to see, but it also has a red and a green crosshair in it. The red crosshair wrong. I feel like I shouldn't be getting dings that easy. I thought I was gonna have to come out here and do some major aligning. No way I should be getting dings that easy, but I am, so I'm not gonna even waste any more ammo. I'm gonna have to do something with that trigger. Cause, oh, I didn't never make sure the safety works on camera. Safety does work, but I'm gonna have to do something with that trigger because I'm jerking it. It's like none of my other ARs have that kind of slack in the trigger. When I tap the trigger, it goes. This one, you tap it, it still don't go. They try to hit the very small steel target, and I'll show you the targets afterwards. Instead of jerking the trigger, which I'm not jerking it, it's just I'm not calculating the slack. Like I'm pulling that trigger just then. It was just I was pulling it. I'm pulling the trigger right now. I'm moving too much. That's crazy. I'm pulling the trigger. I grazed the steel target. I didn't hit it flush. But that's ridiculous. That is ridiculous. Didn't know the trigger was like that. But yeah. Remember, guns aren't illegal. Get your some. Alright, so got that one. That's my little one I was referring to. And this steel. Let me show you the distance I was. I was back at that table over there.